Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian Yam Chicken Pepper Soup, a flavorful healing dish that is perfect for cold days, raining evening, or when you just want something soothing and delicious. This recipe is easy, rich in spices, and absolutely mouth-watering. So let's get started. So to get your Nigerian Yam Chicken Pepper Soup ready, you will need to prep all your ingredients before you start cooking. Mine is fully prepped, so here is a display of the ingredients I'll be using. So on here I have a medium-sized yam, peeled, cut into cube medium sizes. I also have raw chicken cut into pieces, 2 tablespoonfuls of pepper soup spice, fresh pepper for taste, 1 big onion chopped, 2 seasoning cube, dried catfish, salt for taste, a handful of chopped scent leaf. You can also use uziza leaf if you want to add a little more spicy or hotness to your meal. Grounded crayfish and grounded African nutmeg. So in a clean pot, I'll add the cut chicken pieces, chopped onion, seasoning cube, salt, pepper, and combine to get the meat marinated well. If you have enough time, you can let the meat marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can also marinate the meat and keep in your fridge overnight to get it well marinated, but right now time is not on our favor, so I will get it stirred properly then start cooking immediately. Once done marinating, pour in just enough water to cover the chicken, then allow it to cook on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. As the chicken begins to boil, it's going to release rich aroma into the air and your kitchen will smell really divine. That's when you know you are on spot. Now I will start adding the sliced washed yam. Stir in well properly. I will add enough water to cook the yam and to create a nice peppery soup base. Remember, we are cooking yam chicken pepper soup, so we need enough water to sip while eating the yam. So once I'm done adding the water, I will add in some chopped onion for flavor and salt for taste. But if you are cooking this for multiple people, please, I will recommend you to blend your onion, because not everyone loves to see onion slices on their meal, so please take note of this. So once I'm done folding everything properly, I will cover the pot and let the yam cook on medium heat until it becomes soft. But few minutes into cooking, I added the washed dried catfish and cut prekese. Trust me, if you want to take your pepper soup to the next level, add a pieces or 2 of prekese into your pepper soup. The African spice known for its sweet aroma and amazing health benefits. It helps boost your immune system, improve digestion, it cleanses the gut and reduces inflammation and pain in your body. So adding it to this dish elevate the taste and the flavor of the meal. Next, I'll go ahead and add the pepper soup spices, seasoning cube, salt for taste, grounded crayfish, then cover the pot and let it cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, the ingredients and spices we are using for this yam pepper soup is all natural herbs and spices. So please never add any foreign spices that will give this broth another taste entirely. You want to make sure that all seasoning and the taste of this soup is natural and gives that authentic African taste. Once the yam becomes soft and the soup thickens slightly, taste for salt and adjust seasoning if needed. And now at this point is the time to add the blended fresh pepper. The pepper should not be grounded into puree. Rather, use a pulse mode if you are using a blender, so the pepper can be visible in the soup. Also remember to add the fresh pepper towards the end of the cooking so they stay fresh and hot while you are serving the meal. After adding the fresh pepper, stir properly so it will penetrate around the pot. Cover and let it cook for extra 2 minutes and nothing more than that. Ooh la la, guys, can you see the bubbling coming out from this pot? This is how you want yours to bubble. And if this yam pepper soup made your mouth water, do not stop here. Try it in your kitchen and feel the warmth yourself. So then I'm going to add my scent leaves for that authentic pepper soup aroma. Let it simmer for about 1 minute if you want to, but for me, I'm going to turn off the heat because I always want my scent leaf very fresh whenever I'm making pepper soup. Stir everything to get it combined and the heat is going to do the work. And here your yam chicken pepper soup is ready. Spicy, soothing, and absolutely irresistible. Serve it hot and enjoy every spoonful. Perfect for rainy days, cold nights, or whether you just want a bowl of comfort. If this yam pepper soup made your mouth water, do not stop here. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your post notification for more delicious Nigeria comfort food recipe every single week. Remember, yam chicken pepper soup is one of those dishes that everyone can enjoy, young or old. Especially great for families, a heartwarming meal for dinner that brings everyone together around the table. Is also good for mothers and new mom, traditionally served to women after childbirth to help their body recover, boost blood flow, and restore energy. Honestly, trust me when I say this food is very classy, flavorful dish to impress friends, especially when you want to serve something traditional and yet special. So tell me in the comments, how do you like your pepper soup? Is it with yam, plantain, or goat meat? I'd love to know. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on my next recipe. So till then, bye.